Today marks the combination of weeks of meticulous planning, operational coordination, rehearsals, and preparation for one of the most significant events in our country, the fifth SONA of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. As we conduct this showdown inspection, let us not only be a review of our equipment, uniforms, and deployment plans, but also a reaffirmation of our commitment to serve with professionalism, discipline, integrity, and respect for the rule of law. The responsibility entrusted to us goes beyond maintaining peace and order. We are expected to ensure the safety and security of everyone. The President, government officials, foreign dignitaries, delegates, the general public, motorists, commuters, media practitioners, and those who chose to exercise their constitutional right to peacefully assemble. Every police officer to be deployed represents not only CRPO, but the entire Philippine National Police. The way we conduct ourselves will shape the public's perception of our institution. Our actions must always reflect the highest standards of professionalism, courtesy, impartiality, and accountability. I therefore remind everyone to remain vigilant throughout your deployment. Stay alert to any threat or contingency. Strictly follow the operational plan. Maintain constant coordination with your commanders and perform your assigned duties with dedication and precision. At the same time, I want to emphasize one of the most principles that must guide every police operation during the SONA: the strict observance of maximum tolerance and full respect for human rights. There will be individuals and groups who will exercise their right to peaceful assembly. As law enforcers, our duty is not to suppress lawful expression, but to ensure that public order and public safety are maintained while respecting the constitutional rights guaranteed to every citizen. Exercise patience, restraint, and sound judgment at all times, and perform your duties with professionalism, discipline, and full respect for human rights. I likewise remind all commanders to closely supervise their personnel, maintain clear communication, and provide timely guidance to ensure the safe, peaceful, orderly, and secure conduct of the SONA. I have full confidence in the capability, discipline, and professionalism of every CRPO personnel. Let us remain vigilant, exercise maximum tolerance, respect human rights, and perform our duties with honor, integrity, and professionalism to ensure the safe and successful conduct of SONA. Maraming salamat, magandang umaga, at mabuhay ang National Capital Region Police Office.